Hey there, explorers! Welcome to AI Tech Think. Get ready for an incredible adventure. We're diving into the world of artificial intelligence, also known as AI. It sounds complicated, but trust me, it's super cool. AI is changing the world right before our eyes. Are you ready to see how? Let's go! Remember, the links to the tools discussed are in the description. AI is making things possible that we once only dreamed of. It's like having a super-powered sidekick ready to help with anything. From writing stories to creating art, AI is here to empower us. So buckle up and get ready to unlock a world of possibilities. Imagine a computer that can learn and think like us, but even faster. That's AI in a nutshell. It's like magic, but instead of spells, we use code. AI can analyze tons of information and use it to solve problems, answer questions, and even make predictions about the future. Think of AI as a really smart friend who can help you with your homework, write a song, or even design a robot. It's all about using the power of computers to make our lives easier and more exciting. Now, let me introduce you to some of the amazing AI tools out there. First up, we have ChatGPT, a super smart chatbot. It can answer your questions, write different kinds of creative text formats, and even tell you jokes. Next, we have Copilot, the coding whiz. It helps programmers write better code faster. And let's not forget about Gemini and Claude, two other brilliant AI tools that can do amazing things. You might be wondering, how do I even talk to AI? Well, it's easier than you think. You can type in your questions or requests just like you're chatting with a friend online. You can even talk to some AI tools, like asking Siri or Alexa to play your favorite song. Don't be afraid to ask AI anything. The more you interact with it, the better it gets at understanding you and giving you what you need. Section 5. Fun with AI, let's get creative. AI isn't just about work and productivity, it's also about having fun. Want to hear a wacky bedtime story? AI can do that. How about creating a beautiful painting without even picking up a brush? AI can make that happen too. You can even play games with AI. Imagine playing chess against a computer that can think millions of moves ahead. With AI, the possibilities for fun and creativity are endless. Section 6. Staying safe in the world of AI. Just like exploring any new frontier, it's important to stay safe when using AI. Always remember that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. It's our responsibility to use AI ethically and responsibly. Never share personal information with AI tools unless you're sure it's safe. And always double-check information you get from AI with trusted sources. Section 7. Ready, set, AI. Your journey begins now. So, are you ready to embrace the power of AI? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, choose an AI tool that interests you. There are tons of free options available to get you started. Next, think about what you want to create or learn. Do you want to write a poem? Generate a piece of art? The possibilities are endless. Finally, start experimenting and have fun. Section 8. The AI challenge. Can you do it? Here's a fun challenge. Try using ChatGPT to write a short story about a friendly robot who learns to ride a bike. Don't be afraid to get creative and let your imagination run wild. Share your story with your friends and family and see if they can guess it was written with the help of AI. Section 9. Keep exploring the amazing world of AI. Congratulations, explorers! You've taken your first steps into the exciting world of AI. But this is just the beginning. There's so much more to discover and learn. Keep asking questions, keep experimenting, and never stop exploring the amazing possibilities of artificial intelligence.